I am back again, y'all. Oh no. Someone called me and my phone was interrupted again. I hate that. I have to make it where this doesn't happen to me no more. I have to go and invest. I'm gonna go get me something else, a tablet, laptop, something besides on this phone. Okay? But I mean, you have to start from somewhere. You can laugh at me all you want because I'm going to continue to do it. So this is a continuing video. Okay, let's eat and talk and finish talking because I was not done talking. So, you know, these kids, they like to call you with their things. They want to call you with their little puppy love, lovebird love and stuff. They don't always do that and they don't go right back. I never did that. You know? My mom, I'm telling you, any time that I get into it with in a relationship that I'm in, my mom never known about it like that. I dealt with my own problem. I didn't call her with the stress all the time. Only time she didn't know is because she wanted to know and she was in it. Or she didn't like the person. But other than that, I never call her with my problems with my relationship. So, I just, like, I just deal with the problem and get rid of the problem too. That's what I did. Got rid of the problem out of my life. Might get in the way. Right before the parade, it started pouring. Thank God it cleared up and the parade went off without a hitch. Now, some of these events, there you go. Hey, he's having fun. The events here tonight were part of a fundraiser for the Waymakers Youth Shelter here in Huntington Beach. Now, there also is a high surf advisory that is in effect until tomorrow morning at 4. And now, reporting live in Huntington Beach, I'm Chip Yost, KT. So, you guys, I am back again to talk and eat and talk. I ain't gonna be on this video too long because I was already on it. And I'm just here looking at the news and seeing if it's more that I can share with you guys that's on the news, you know, because sometimes people are busy and they don't see it. It go right past you and you don't see it. So. Many people posted complaints after the photo of the scene was posted on the church Facebook page. In other news tonight, local fans are celebrating the life of rapper Juice WRLD, who died suddenly in Juice WRLD following a seizure. The rising star just turned 21 6 days ago after signing a major deal with Interscope Records. KTLA5's Carlos Salcedo is live Juice WRLD with more. Hi, Carlos. That's so sad. That's right, the young rapper's career was just taking off so shortly. Now, the 21-year-old died this morning. Tonight, many fans came out here to pay their respects. Aww, that's so sad. Y'all hear this song? This is this guy. This is one of the songs that helped put Juice WRLD on the map. The hit song landed number 2 on the charts. I still see the shadows in my room. Can't take back the love that I gave you. I like that one. I like multiple songs. Today, dozens of fans paid their respects to the singer-songwriter at Sneakertopia, a pop-up art installation in Westchester. He was an entrepreneur. That's so sad. He jumped on board and was an enthusiastic supporter, one of our first investors. Fans wrote messages of support. Y'all, it's so much of the 21-year-old happening. I brought my daughter and we did the candlelight and wrote a few words.
That's so sad. Little Big Bird. He was an older guy though that plays Big Bird. He was way older guy that played Big Bird. So, but he had so much talent that he could have really took went the distance. But this guy here, he's very young. Suffered a seizure after landing at Chicago's Midway Airport this morning. Oh, yep. Where he died. He was at Chicago Airport where he had the seizure, and then he was rushed to the hospital and where he died. Wow. Another rapper gone too soon. This brings awareness to all the rappers out there that, need to stop doing whatever we doing. They make us feel so sick. We need to take better care of ourselves. She crying. She started crying. And authorities have not released what caused the seizure. Juice WRLD had just turned 21 6 days ago. 6 days ago, he turned 21. I'll send it back to you in Hollywood.
All right, Carlos, thank you so much. Sesame Street fans are remembering legendary puppeteer Carol Spinney, who passed away today at the age of 85. I'm a bird and a big, yes, a one-tall pillow. I'm covered in feathers that are fluffy, they're yellow.
Oh, Big Bird.
He
produced. Passed away at his home in Connecticut.
He made
today after battling dystonia, which is a
right. Disorder. And he played him, imitated him a long time. He was older guy.
50 years until he retired just last year. Fans say he was a big part of their childhood.
Aww.
We used to watch Sesame Street. Big was a big part of our growing up. That was characters, Maria and everybody, even in Australia.
He only spread
I remember looking at Big Bird.
I just look back and I think of how happy I was when I would watch Big Bird and Sesame Street in general.
Spinney landed his big break after Muppet Master Jim Henson reportedly spotted him performing at a puppet festival.
Another pivotal week for impeachment gets underway in just a few hours.
They're still talking about Trump impeachment, y'all.
As you know, has called the investigation.
They still on top of his head, okay? They ain't even let up. Out of all the stuff that's going on, they still ain't let up on him.
We have a very rock-solid case. I think the case we have is presented to a jury with the...
They want him out. Look like he got to go.
About hearsay evidence. There is considerable direct evidence.
Right? They like, he gotta go.
A House Democrat put out a 55-page
report.
They called it a scholarly report.
This world is a mess. A mess, you hear me?
A law was violated to impeach a president. That's garbage. What nonsense.
But Democrats say the report outlines the historical context of impeachment.
This world's a
and
mess.
why the framers of the Constitution included a provision to remove a sitting president.
Not Nixon, not Clinton, nobody in the history of the United States has.
She got a cold sore on her lip too.
Of obstruction of Congress.
Democratic officials say that the decision about articles of impeachment, how many and what.
I'm getting full here, y'all.
After Monday's hearing.
And I hate when my video messes up, because then it's like I'm not talking too much with you guys, because I already had got on the roll of talking, and then all of a sudden it just threw me off. Threw me all off. Threw me way off. Can't believe it. Because I was on a roll of just talking, and then all of a sudden.
Checking in on those who miss work and the backlash surrounding the process. We'll be right back.
Yeah, the Chipotle, they want to make sure people sick, right? That's what they talking about. They want to make sure they sick before they come back to, want them to get a checkup before they come back to work. And they going to pay for it.
Not today. You took our conversation about your chronic coronary artery disease to heart.
Good luck.
So you added Xarelto.
When they see that bill, they gonna be like, "Oh, we'll change your plans. Change your plans." Better y'all just take off. Huh? Right, I guess that's why they gonna go and let them go to their doctor or whatever and check them, and they pay for it. But when they get the paying for that, they gonna be like, oh, change the plans. Better we just let them just stay off for some days and get well before they coming back to work. Paying for that? Okay. People dying to have medical insurance, wishing they can have it. Okay. Go ahead. They're gonna be broke. They ain't gonna be in no more business. Trying to do too much.
Never been afraid of tough fights, the ones that make a true difference in people's lives.
I guess.
Which is important right this minute.
That's a lot of money.
America's biggest gun lobby, helping pass background check laws and defeat
Just to, it's even money just to even do random testing. You know what I'm saying? That's even money. So just imagine to a regular checkups until they get well. Good luck with that. I want to see that be done. For real.
In an instant, your life may never be the same.
First employee is gonna be too much money.
Last the rest of your life. Protect your future.
And be like, oh Lord, we are getting broke with this.
Never talk, settle, or deal with the insurance company without Jacobian lawyers on your side.
Better just let them take off. If they call off sick. Just tell them that, you know, in the employee's handbook are rules that you just, you know, you either take off a day after you called off sick, you know, take 2 more days, and they'll just replace somebody in their spot. Get it? Better that.
It comes after Amazon, eBay, and 2 smaller retailers banned the troublesome product.
Just have somebody come, and you just, when you call off, you just need to take off. They don't want nobody to come sick around the food. So, make it a rule in the handbook. They need to take off that day after. 2 more days.
When they call in sick. Under a new policy, they have to speak to a nurse who will then validate if they are indeed sick or just hungover. The restaurant says that the wellness check
That's still
is a
money.
protective measure to keep the sick employees from spreading their illness.
They gotta pay the nurse
They get a paid day off. While some call
for all of that
Chipotle
to check them.
back customer trust after those E. coli outbreaks.
That's too much money.
Just a few
Good luck.
months ago.
Wait, do they ever see them in
They're gonna be broke. They're gonna be broke and be the one trying to figure out a way.
But the weather, I like that the sun is on the 7-day.
People ain't gonna want to do that.
Sunshine on the 7 day.
They gonna be like, I got my regular doctor. If I bring you the excuse, I'm sick. It could be, it don't have to be I'm coughing or sneezing. It could be blood pressure is up, right? And the doctor want them to rest.
You can see it looks like things are settling down.
You don't have to necessarily be a cold. You get a doctor's excuse, that should be sufficient from their own doctor. They crazy.
Scattered shower activity right now in the LA area. You can see along the 5 corridor.
I wouldn't want to work for that, for them.
Down in South Orange County along the coast.
You gotta go see their nurse to make sure you sick. I brought you a doctor's excuse from the hospital. And you gonna tell me I'm lying? No.
Of course, that's beginning to dissipate a little bit as well. Running Springs and even in Big Bear areas right now, we're seeing some isolated snow showers as well. So looking at current conditions, 58 degrees in LA, Riverside 54, Palm Springs 60, and Chino 53.
But that's the things you go through with these jobs.
66, just a couple of degrees below normal for this time of year, and that's really going to change later.
That's where it is.
Also wanted to mention high surf advisory in effect.
But anyway, on that note,
Earlier it included LA and Ventura County beaches.
I am getting full here, you guys, and I have chatting everywhere, here and there. So, until we meet again, I'm gonna just sign off here. I am so glad to come on and see my YouTube family and chat and talk and eat and talk. So on that note, I'm gonna go on and sign off, and I gotta finish this though. I'm gonna cover it up, but I'm gonna finish this. Don't think I'm not gonna finish this, y'all. Because I don't know how people come on here with a whole bunch of food, because I don't eat like that. I mean, this is a lot for me. I'm packing up so y'all can see a whole bunch, and I just put a dent in it. But I don't know. I can't. I would, if I have a whole bunch of seafood here, I'm not gonna eat it all. I'm gonna eat so much of it and probably put it away, pick through it. That's how I eat. So anyway, but don't forget to like, give me a thumbs up, you guys. Thank you so much. Love you. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to push that little bell that rings, that it looks like it's ringing. Don't forget to subscribe. And I really, truly appreciate it and miss you guys. Until we meet again, this is It Tastes So Good channel. Bye. Good night.